Welcome back to our YouTube channel, guys. My name's Ardil and I'm really proud to introduce another one of our videos. In today's video, I'm walking around a Bentley Continental GT that we've upgraded with a product called Target Blu Eye. It's an emergency service warning device that alerts you guys on the road of all approaching emergency service vehicles that is marked and unmarked. If you're new to our channel, haven't seen us before, hit that subscribe button below. Otherwise, let's go. So the customer has come into us looking for a solution, however, has been into us many times before over the past few years. Customer has now added this new car to his fleet and added in, once again, a product called Target Blu Eye that we've added on to so many of his cars already. So a very loyal customer, so thank you very much for returning, but also really proud to be working on cars of this caliber day in and day out. So the product called Target Blu Eye has been added to the vehicle. Basically, a couple of things that are included in the install. We've added what's called a T30 antenna in the front wing here. Then that's a physical cable run all the way into a control box in the vehicle. That control box is basically the brain of the system. And then we've got a display mounted up on top of the windscreen area, exactly where our customer wanted it. So we went through all of those options with the customer. We also can do custom mirror options as well that you might have seen on our YouTube channel already. But overall, basically, what is Target Blu Eye? It's an emergency service warning device that alerts you by going from an audible tone and a visual alert from green to red of all approaching emergency service vehicles was marked and unmarked. It uses and picks up a signal from called Tetra, which basically majority of the emergency services use currently, and that basically picks up, receives from the antenna, goes into the control box and then relays, giving you live information while driving. Not only is that making you guys safer on the roads, it also is a phenomenal bit of kit. If you haven't used it already, you have to use the product to get an idea of how good this system is. However, you would have seen plenty of other installs on different cars, a bit like Living Life Fast install, but we've done plenty of other cars also live directly with Target Blu Eye integrated into the mirror as well, which is a really nice solution, and I really don't like driving a car without it. So overall, I'm sure the customer is going to be over the moon with another one of our installations on another one of his cars. But if you are interested in something like this on whether it's a Bentley or any other vehicle for that matter, this install can be carried out on literally any vehicle on the market. So if you are interested in something like this, you know exactly what to do, guys. Drop us a message on any of our social media platforms. We're more than happy to go through everything in more detail with you and go through everything with you. In terms of the solution, we've also got a full live video already live on our YouTube channel, which actually goes through exactly how the product works in a bit more technical information, and also is an unboxing video as well. So thank you very much, guys, for watching. We look forward to seeing you soon. See you later.